Are you struggling with a dry cough that just won't go away? That irritating tickle in the throat can make it hard to sleep and even harder to focus during the day. A simple home remedy may bring relief. Mix honey with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime, then take 1 spoon every morning and at night. Honey naturally soothes the throat and coats irritation, lime adds vitamin C to boost your immunity, and a little salt can help reduce inflammation. This powerful combo doesn't just ease cough. It may also support digestion, fight bacteria, and keep your immune system strong. A natural and simple way to feel better, right from your kitchen. Follow for more.